Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another vlog. And today we're going to be installing this right here. If you're wondering what this is the noise reduction kit, which basically lowers the wind noise around your vehicle. See, it comes with a tool to help you with installation here, and it comes with another tool to help you install it. So let's go test it out. All right, here in my parking garage, getting ready to install the wind noise. And there she is, the fire dragon. All right, guys. So this is the before test. I'm basically going to test the vehicle before I do the installation. And I'm going to point the camera directly to the roof so to catch as much noise as possible. I'm going to speed up. And I hope the microphone catches the wind noise the best as possible. I'll perform this test after the noise reduction rubber seal is installed, and we'll basically compare it. The wind noise in this vehicle is not really bad. I can barely notice it, and the funny thing is, majority of the time I drive with music on, and so I I don't even hear it. So, all right. So I'll be performing this test again after the installation is complete. All right. For the installation, you're going to see that it's going to go around this gap right here. Is basically what the product's for. This gap right around here. And you can see there's enough room for it to fit. So let's proceed with the installation. All right. So let's grab this right here. This piece right here. This rubber piece right here, rubber seal, comes with no instructions. So basically, I've had to get my tutorials and how-to off of YouTube. So I watched a few videos, and it says that the difficulty of the installation is not that difficult. So let's see. Let's put this in here. That comes with it to make sure it fits right in the groove there. Now let's do the corners. All right. Seems to have come apart, but let's continue this. I'm going to try and do it with two hands, so I'm going to put the camera down and continue recording after. All right. Installation complete. So if you start from one corner, what you want to do is either tape it or have something that can hold it down, and then you go diagonal here, you put it to there, and then you stretch it, and then you use your finger here to just evenly make sure that it falls in place. So difficulty, I would say about a 3 out of 10. Wasn't that difficult. Very easy, very fast to install. And you can see it now covers up all the gaps here. And now let's go test it out and see the difference. All right. So I don't know if you can hear, but I do hear a little bit of noise reduction. See, I don't hear basically any wind noise. So, yes, I would recommend this product. This product is pretty good. It did seem to reduce the wind noise. And inside of the vehicle does seem a lot quieter. Yeah, to be honest, it does. It does. So, the link will be in the description of where you can find this product, and it's a very easy do-it-yourself product. Installation wasn't that long and pretty much really easy. So, yeah, I'll put the camera up to see if you can catch any noise. And the car does seem quieter. So, guys, that's another video. That's all I gotta say. So, thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. and the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.